Security guard mistakenly shot dead by police, another injured. Trelawney records its first murder for 2023. Clarendon farmer robbed of goats killed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 2 men were shot, one fatally, by the police during a pre-dawn operation in Negril, Westmoreland on Monday. The police stated that the incident took place shortly after 4 a.m. on the compound of a supermarket and cambio in the town. They did not state the circumstances that led to the shooting. One of the men, identified as Delano Romario Ardin, was pronounced dead, while the other, a 20-year-old security guard of a St. Elizabeth address, is being treated for his injuries. The police stated that the matter was reported to the Independent Commission of Investigations and the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Inspectorate and the Professional Standards Oversight Bureau. Investigators from the Trelawney Criminal Investigation Branch are probing the murder of a man who was shot and killed on the roadway in his community by unknown assailants on Sunday morning. It was the first murder to be recorded in the parish since the start of the year. The deceased has been identified as 30-year-old Jamie Anderson, otherwise called Laffy, of Kettering District, Duncan's Trelawney. Reports from the Falmouth Police are that about 8:45 a.m., Anderson was walking on the roadway when he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him. The police were alerted and he was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been determined for the deadly attack. Police believe that a goat farmer who was found dead in Rymesbury District, Clarendon on Monday morning was taken to the area and killed by thieves. The body of 37-year-old Jerome Morgan, otherwise called Bud Up, from Harrisontown in Milk River in the parish, was discovered by residents who called the police. Investigation reveals that Morgan was last seen around 1 p.m. Sunday when he went to feed his goats. Subsequently, neither Morgan nor the goats returned, the police stated. About 10:30 Monday morning, residents stumbled upon the farmer's body and summoned the authorities. The police have theorized that Morgan was robbed of his goats and taken to Rymesbury, where he was killed.